Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are looking at Firefox and how to clear your browsing history and your cookies. So first you want to open up Mozilla Firefox, then click on the three-line menu icon here on the top right. Then go down to settings. Then once you go on to settings, come to the left on the left sidebar, click on privacy and security. And then scroll down till you see cookies and site data, and then just click on clear data, and then you can choose which ones you want to delete. And then if you choose this one, just saying it gives a warning. If you clear this one and it's checked in, you may get signed out of websites. So if you have auto-filled username and passwords that you automatically log into, they click the room number on, you will have to log in again to those websites. And then cache web content, and when you go to a website again, it will have to reload images for on the second one. If you're okay with that, just click on clear. This will pop up, and then it's going to give you another warning. It says it may sign you out of websites. So as I've said, if you have auto-filled or auto login that has their password saved, you might forget if it's on Mozilla. But if you're okay with it, just click on clear now. And now you have cleared your cookies. And then for your history, just go to search history, search up history. And then go on history. You can change the settings where, let me go back to it, where it can remember the history, or you can just never create a history, or you can do custom settings. The normal default is to remember, so it's going to save your history, so any website you go to is going to be saved. If you want to delete all those, just click on this, click OK, and it just deletes everything, all cookies as well. That's how you delete cookies and history on Mozilla Firefox. Thank you for watching.